My pleasure to introduce Assemblymember Chantel Jackson.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor, for this important conversation that we're having, and thank you for engaging us, Assembly members, recently to discuss this issue of gun violence. My heart bleeds for this family, and like you said, I've known way too many families who have lost young people to gun violence. I actually tried to be Assembly Member Davila to this bill. I thought it was such an important one and absolutely necessary for our state. Because like I've mentioned in so many conversations, the social services is what we are lacking. And that's what we're going to offer people at this point when this bill passes. We need to make sure that people have wraparound services when they are released from prison, because we know if you don't have these services, you're going to end up doing the same things that got you there in the first place. And so it is absolutely important that we make sure that people have housing, we make sure that they have health care, we make sure that they have education so that they don't end up in these same situations terrorizing our communities. When I say our communities, that's exactly what I mean, because it's not, outside people coming in and destroying it. And I also understand that this is happening because we don't have enough social services, we don't have enough conflict resolution. And so these are things that we need to be focusing on. So I'm grateful for this bill. Thank you, Mr. Mayor, for presenting it. And I'm hoping that this state will get this passed this week.